Hey everybody, how you doing? Haven't seen you in a while. Just got back from another bike ride, and I'm sorry I've been away for a little bit. I've been busy doing family stuff and just basically goofing around. I have no excuse. But anyway, I'm back with this bus again, and I've got to fix a few items like that little water problem I was having right over there. You know, the little plastic round connector broke and it sprayed water everywhere, so I got to fix that. And I got to put a shade in the back window there behind you, and just a couple little doodads. Oh, I got to finish up my my clear coating in the bathroom, on the bathroom wall, and right over there by the bed. And I went over and talked to the propane dealership over here, and I guess they're a dealership, I don't know. But anyway, I talked to the owner there, and he looked over the van with me, the bus, and we figured out where we're going to route the lines and stuff, and I'm going to have a professional do that. I don't quite feel comfortable. I think I could do it, but I don't want to have to chase any leaks or, you know, it's kind of a dangerous thing. So I'm going to go ahead and have them take care of that. And I'm going to also have them put a little valve down there by the tank so I can hook an auxiliary tank up to the tank that's on this. So we carry an extra tank if we want to, and, you know, it's just more convenient. Thinking in the long run here, you know, next owner is going to probably want that on there so he could put hook extra propane up to this bus if they're staying someplace for a little while. And oh, they're going to do that on October 3rd, and I'm going to try to have this bus finished by October 3rd. So I'm going to have probably by the end of the first week of October, I should have a complete walkthrough on this bus, and I'll have figured out what my price will be on it, and we can go from there, anybody that's interested. And I'll do a complete walkthrough. I'll explain everything, and I'll try not to be too long-winded about it, because I don't want it to, you know, get so long-winded nobody wants to watch it. But anyway, so I'm going to fix up these little things. I'm going to go ahead and fix up this leak very first thing I'm going to do. So if you guys want to come along with that, I'll take you along. I know it's probably kind of boring, but something needs to be done. Okay, I'll see you guys in a minute here. Okay, everybody. Let's get this thing off of here. I put a towel down here in case this thing dribbles. I don't want no more water getting on anything. This little guy right here, this little ring at the bottom of this L90, that has to be pushed up, and it releases the teeth, which will release this pipe. See, that's the plan anyway. Oh, boy, that was a pain. So, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this broken piece off. Well, it's snapped, it's just hand tight because it's got the crack in it. Yeah, look at this thing. It's broke completely in half. Right next to that sticker. Okay. So, I'm going to need some more tape on those threads. Boy, that's going to be hard to put on there. You know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to try to thread that again. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get some liquid paste and put on this. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I found this. It was starting to dry out a little bit, but it's still pretty good. It's still usable. And I put the L back on with some tape, but this is the side that's going to the shower valve. You can see I got some of that liquid. It's called TFE paste. And that's what's going to go on those threads right there. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting this back on. Hopefully we'll get a watertight seal this time. All right. And to hook this shark bite fitting back up, basically, you just line it back up and squeeze it back together. That should be fixed. Now, emphasis on the should. I'm going to go turn the water on. You keep an eye on it for me. Forgot where it was. I'm not showing any leakage. I'm going to go ahead and make sure the water's on. Oh yeah. Yep, the water is on. And there's no leakage. I just soaked my arm. Nothing. Well, that was kind of painless, wasn't it? Yeah. Now I can put this, I'm going to let it sit for a while, but after that I'll put this board back on and I'll put my cover I made for it back on. And we'll be in good shape. All right, one thing down anyway. Okay guys, this was really easy. This took about 5 minutes. I just put this shade in here. And it's just for some privacy in the bedroom. And what I did is I just found me a center line, and you can see those little brackets there, just 2 screws, and I pre-drilled it with a little drill bit. Then I just screwed it in with my cabinet screwdriver there. Just 2 screws on each side. And those bolts that are sticking out of the wall there, those were for holding seat belts in at one time for the handicap, because this was a right here was a handicap door, and there was a lift right here, which I took out. And yeah, so I wanted to leave these bolts in just in case one day I decide to install a ladder on the back of the bus, or if somebody else does. And that'd be good, really good strong brackets for the bolt to mount to the outside of the outside of the vehicle to hold a ladder on there onto the fiberglass. And yeah, I took the bed apart a little bit so I could sit in here and work. And yeah, so that's it anyway. So, on to the next thing. Hey guys, there's the Costway 54 quart refrigerator, and that thing's been running well over 2 weeks now on nothing but the solar panel and the batteries. And I've been running that, that's just 13.2 there on my batteries. And I've been running that inverter right up there, that inverter switch. I've been running that for a good 3 hours today, and it's still at 13.3. It looks like it's climbing. Yeah, this refrigerator is quite efficient on the batteries. I only have two 12-volt deep cycles in the drawer over there, and it seems to be keeping up with those really, really nicely. So I may not have to upgrade this system right at the moment. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys that, and I'll see you in a little bit. Hey everybody, come here, kitty. Come here, little boy. Come here, little guy. Hey, look who came to visit me. Kitty. Kitty. Think he's a little stray. I've never seen him before. He's got a little kink in his tail. Come on, kitty. Come on, buddy. Come over here so we can see you. He was out here working and he just showed up. Probably wants something to eat. I'll go get him something here in a minute. Come here, kitty. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, kitty. There he is. Come on, kitty. Come here, buddy. He's a little skittish. He's going to go in the shop. Come here, kitty. Come here, little kitty. Come here, buddy. Come here, kitty. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, little buddy. How you doing, huh? You got a little crooked tail. Yeah. Yeah, a little calico. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. I'll check around the neighborhood, see if he belongs to anybody. Maybe he just got a new kitty. Hey. Kitty. Well, that's interesting. I'll talk to you guys a little bit. Hey, little kitty. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. Yeah. There, little kitty cat. He's a little skittish, but he's awful lovey. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, my buddy. Oh boy. I think I'm going to go over and try to find him something to eat. Does that sound good, buddy? You want something to eat? Alrighty. Yes, kitty. He's a talker, too. Yeah, he's a starving Marvin. That's one hungry little kitty cat there. He's pretty wary too. Sorry for shaking the camera around so much, guys. Been running up and down stairs, getting cat food. Well, I made a new friend today. That's kind of cool, huh? Kind of does my heart good. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this video. I had planned on putting some other stuff on there from building, but I'll do that on the next one. So I'll go ahead and catch you guys on the next time. All right? Bye-bye.